forgot your iPhone passcode, try this. If you forgot your iPhone passcode and now you're locked out, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to unlock your iPhone even if you've forgotten your passcode. So let's get started. First things first, when you enter the wrong passcode too many times, your iPhone will get disabled for a short time. If you still can't remember the passcode, you need to reset it. You can do this through these methods. First, let's try unlocking your iPhone using iCloud. If Find My iPhone is enabled, just go to iCloud.com and log in with your Apple credentials, or simply click on Find My app and select your iPhone from the list of devices which has been logged. Let's say this is the one. Now, what you need to do is click on erase this device. This will wipe your phone, including the passcode, and return it to factory settings. Once the reset is complete, you can restore your data from a backup. Now, if you can't use iCloud, you'll need to use recovery mode to restore your iPhone using iTunes or Finder on macOS, Catalina, or later. Just turn off your iPhone and connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes. While your phone is off, press and hold the power button, volume down button, or the side button and connect the iPhone to computer. Just release the button when you see the recovery mode screen on your iPhone, and iTunes and Finder will ask you if you want to restore or update your iPhone. Just choose restore. This will wipe the device, erase the passcode, and reinstall iOS. You can then set up your iPhone again. And that's it. You've now unlocked your iPhone even if you've forgotten the passcode.